What's up guys? So before we begin the video, remember to like our Facebook page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel now. Yes, now! Kakun crack. So, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series is finally here. As usual, we have the standard Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and also the larger version Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 comes with a 6.7-inch flat Full HD Plus Infinity O Super AMOLED Plus display, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra sports a larger 6.9-inch Infinity O display AMOLED 2x QHD Plus resolution display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch response. Both of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra are having the same Infinity O 10-megapixel selfie camera on the top of the display. As on the rear, both are having the same triple camera setup. This time, the whole build quality and color design looks super stunning and with one of my all-time favorite matte finish surface, which means it is not a fingerprint magnet. As for the color variants, both Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series have 3 color variants: the Mystic Grey, Mystic Bronze, and the Mystic Green, which is only for the 5G variants for the Galaxy Note 20. As for the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, it has the Mystic Bronze, Mystic Black, and also the Mystic White. So what's the difference between the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series and the previous Galaxy Note 10 series? Well, the main difference will be the S Pen placement. Yes, this time the S Pen is moved to the bottom left of the phone, and the S Pen is now larger than before, especially on the tip of the S Pen, which allows you to feel more like holding a real pencil while you're writing with it. In fact, it gets a faster 9ms response rate and can extend up to 10 meters of distance, so writing with it will be super smooth and comfortable. Furthermore, now you can use the new audio bookmark feature to write and record voice notes simultaneously, so this is super convenient for writing down your lecture notes or meeting minutes without missing any details while you're in a rush. Besides, it also comes with a few new shortcut gestures such as the back, home, recent, smart select, and screen right. All you need to do is press and hold the S Pen and wave the preset action. So with that, you'll never have to worry about having fingerprint stains on your display because everything can be controlled by your S Pen. Now on the cameras, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 comes with a 12-megapixel main camera, 64-megapixel telephoto lens, 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra sports a 108-megapixel main camera, 12-megapixel telephoto lens, 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a laser AF sensor. And the best part of it is, this time, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series will allow you to control 5 different mic modes during your video recording, as well as controlling your zoom speed just like using a professional camera. So when you're recording in a crowded place, you can choose to focus on voices from the direction you want or attach an external mic to only capture the voices from it to capture the best audio quality. While both devices are equipped with the same Exynos 990 chipset, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 is coupled with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage with 4300 mAh battery and has both 4G and 5G variants, whereas the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra comes with a 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. So which one will you be buying? Let us know in the comments below and stay tuned for the coming unboxing video. I'm Joshua C. Lakon.